I can bet. Like this realistic AI influencer, nobody can teach you how to make it. And today in this video, I am going to show you how to make this kind of AI influencer. Go to the Google and search AI influencer, and you will get the images. And you know very well this AI influencer is so much trending now. So you will take an reference image as and just paste it on the chat GPT and just say this prompt, and you can also listen chat GPT. I have sent you an sample image of an AI influencer. I want you to create a new AI influencer and make sure you don't copy the exact image which I have sent you. I just sent you the as a reference. I want to make you as an influencer which field is fitness, okay, and I want in a black hairstyle. I should be in different means. After that you will get the photo. You can check it out the final result. You can check, as I said, I want black hairs and totally different face, so he has created totally different images. Okay, now we will create an simple chart of her. Okay, what I have written. Now give me character of her in different angles means, and we can check it out the output. We get the multiple angles images, back, 3/4 back view, dynamic pose, side profile, 3/4 view and front view. So after getting this, just add your image in again the chat GPT and just say this. Now I want you to create a JSON prompt with detailed explanation of in which this character is doing push-ups, pull-ups, doing deadlifting, and ending close-up her facial expressions while she is smiling. After this, ChatGPT will give you the best JSON prompt. And for bonus point, I have a website. Let me show you me Gen AI. You can come to this website and you will get also here you can get a prompt. For example, you can see there are many images just like this. Click it on here and just copy the prompt and just paste in the chat GPT and you will get the output. Okay, now we are getting the prompt. Just copy it and go to the Google Flow AI. Just click on the new project and just paste the JSON prompt which we have created from ChatGPT and select here 916 and 2 videos. We send this photo to the send this prompt to the Google Flow. We just select this generate for screen close-up smile and scene for generate high impact 10-second montage transition. You will get this message. Just click on the approve